Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Huracan STO, and this is the Verdi Citria color. I think it is like lime green with orange trims. So let's unbox and see how this looks. Okay. So this one I bought it from Cars and Dolls. If you guys are wondering where I bought it, so it costed me around 1000 rupees, 1099 if I'm not wrong. So here's the hologram. That's it. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Wow, it's just wow. I'm really happy that I went with this color over that. I think another blue with I think yellow trim. So we do have that here. That is by Tomica, which I unboxed some time back. So if you want to see, you can see it in that playlist Tomica. I create a new playlist for each and every brand now. So you can just check in the Tomica playlist. You can see this particular Huracan STO, this color here. So this color really pops. It is too, what you can say, it is too glittery, man. It is really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can able to see it in this video, but look how it glitters. Oh my god, I never expected this. But I'm really happy that I bought this color, so over that blue one. So this color is really beautiful. They have some kind of fiber for headlights, and inside that Y-shaped designs are painted. Even the tail lights are actually made of some kind of plastic. Wow, that looks really beautiful. The rims looks really nice for the STO, and the tires are actually made of rubber. These tires are not slicks actually. This looks really beautiful. I'm honestly waiting some Mini GT to release a Huracan Sterato and also the Technica. So I didn't get anywhere those pieces. So this carbon fiber look, it's really beautiful. It doesn't have any flaw at all. I don't want to say anything bad about this one. Look how beautiful that is. Seriously, Mini GT really outdid this one. The interior looks really clean. The bucket seats looks really awesome. The detailing is pretty great in this one. And as usual, the rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of rubber. So the wheels roll in Mini GT. That's the most awesome thing I can say. Because most of this this scale models which comes high priced like this GTR Para GT, the wheels are not rollable. I am yet to buy that one, but I did see some reviews about that. This tail also fin also is having this carbon fiber just look at it, just look how beautiful that piece is. Wow, the rims really looks awesome. It looks really beautiful. Okay, as usual, let's do a roll test. Okay, it is not rolling that easily, but it doesn't have much wheel wobble like the other two Huracans and the Aventador. But this looks really phenomenal, man. I don't have much words to describe how beautiful this looks. So if you didn't buy any Mini GT so far, I want you to start with this one specifically here. It costed me 1099 rupees if I'm not wrong, and you won't regret this one. Specifically buy this color. I bought this from Cars and Dolls. So buy it before it goes out of stock. Again, one more thing I really want to mention here. I don't have any association with any of the websites which I'm mentioning in the video. I just want you guys also to just purchase from the website which I'm getting. So because those are like legit websites instead of buying it from a scalper or anyone like that. So apart from that, I don't have any association, or I am not getting any money or any kind of profit from those websites which I am mentioning on my videos. So there is nothing for me in it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.